Hi guys, Doc Copeland, Coldwell Banker Apex Realtors. We're back today in Buffalo Creek, beautiful subdivision of Tennis Village. Come on in and take a look at 5 Center Court. With over 3,100 square feet, 4 bedrooms, and 3.5 baths. With multiple living areas up and down. With a beautiful chef kitchen with granite countertops, double oven, and gorgeous hand-scraped wooden floors. With an oversized master bedroom with plenty of room for a king-size bed, a desk, and a sitting area. And I almost forgot this fabulous home theater room. With the perfect backyard for outdoor entertaining, whether it be at the patio, the pit, or the pergola. Going live this week with open houses to follow. Come on out and see this great property.